get in the stocking
grab
now? Let's see. What else is in here, Max? What else is in here? Oh.
Listen to him.
Max, what else is in here?
Oh my God, Jenna. Look at him.
Oh my God. Bubble tape. Bubble tape.
Oh my
Oh
God.
no! This isn't what I think it is! Tell me! Spam!
It's gotta be ham in a can.
Oh, Max! What'd you...
What else is in there? Is there anything else?
I can't find out! He won't let me at it. He won't let me get at it. Oh, I got another chocolate Santa.
Let him put his head
Yeah, let him grab the thing and run off with it.
Let him put his head into it.
Is there anything more in it?
No, it's empty now.
Max, take it. Take
I
it.
don't want him jumping down by Dave.
Oh my God, isn't he pretty?
Over here. Over here.
Oh God, it's so funny.
He lost the sock real bad. Why? They're growling.
I know. I thought this was funny because it was all just cutesy stuff. And the canned ham. You gotta have the canned ham.
Canned ham is awesome.
That is-
I like that we keep the canned ham.
I know, right?
alive.
It does fun. And now
Although, you know, this may end up at the shelter.
I know. And then the new tradition is Max eating the stocking. Not the stuff in the stocking, but the stocking.
He didn't care about what was in there.
No.
He wanted